We are looking at bars 5 to 8 of Jumping Bean. So bars 5 and 6 are actually the same as bars 1 and 2, but they're an octave higher. So they're going to go like this. Okay, and then bars 7 and 8 are going to sound like this. So what I've got there, I've got my thumb on D. Here's my middle C, so it's not the D next door, it's the D above that. And this is string and second finger on the B flat. I'm going to play the thumb, play the second finger, and then the second finger plays again. So if I put that together,